What's good, family? It's man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be using our Forex strategy and showing you guys how your boy is trading Euro USD. Let's get straight into the video. Before we get into the video, definitely subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, okay? Literally, we're on the road to 10k subs. We just hit 8,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Honestly, it's just one of the best things ever. But guys, we're going to be digging straight into this now, so definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely hit that thumbs up button and let's go and smash these likes. So guys, let's get straight into this. So you guys saw on my last video, I told you guys this is what I want you guys to be trading. This is the Forex strategy I want you guys to be trading, okay? If you're going to be plugged into my channel, if you're going to be listening to what I'm saying forget everybody else's one, okay? Do what I'm doing, okay? If you like someone else's style over mine, so be it, go and do their thing. But if you're going to be part of my channel, stick to this and be consistent, right? So check this out. This is Euro USD. If you haven't watched my last video, go and watch that first to get the strategy and then go and apply it to your charts going forward, right? So check this out, same thing, Guan's over here, okay? So what do we have here? So we have a new day, a new trading day, okay? We've got the new trading day, so that's what this line separator is. But guys, what happens? Price trades up, then creates liquidity. So when I say liquidity, I mean they created a double top, right? So above a double top, there is money there. There's people's money sitting over there. I'm gonna say over and over again because I get new subscribers every single day. So y'all gonna be hearing this over and over again. Regardless, trading is the same thing over and over and over again, right? So look, equal highs. What's above equal highs? People's money. Why are people's money resting up here? Is because the basic trader, the person who says, oh, I can only learn from just the internet, okay? They are trained to trade double tops. Yeah, they say once they see a double top, you sell that thing down, right? As you see right now, if you had sold it down, you would have got stopped out, right? So this is what happens. They create liquidity up here, okay? Liquidity up here. And also there's buyers, people who want to buy above this zone, right? The moment price breaks above the zone, they jump in for a buy. So I'm going to come back to that buyers part, right? So what happens then is this. The people who are selling, they get ran out of the trade, okay? They get ran out of the trade, you know, and then hits all their stop losses, right? Because their stop losses in this area down here, hits their stop loss and they lose all kinds of money, right? Then they break price down again, create equal lows, right? And then they push price up again. This is where you get your first entry. If you're looking to get an entry, you get your entry when price then pushes back up, yeah? Then you sell it and you just hold your trade, okay? All the way down, right? Look at this. Look what they tried to do to you guys, right? They gave you guys not just a double bottom, they gave you a triple bottom. So this is like, you know, if this is confirmations for retail traders to buy, then this has to be it. That is a triple bottom, okay? This has to be the ultimate confirmation. I got 2 free touches on this little zone over here. It's a triple bottom. Price is gonna go up. They push price up in your favor, okay? Once again, and guess what? Then they plummet price down, okay? They push price down, stop out all the people, the breakout buyers, okay? Down here. Yeah, they stop out all the breakout buyers over here and all the buyers down here, right? So they've taken all their P's, right? And so this is what I was telling you guys. I was telling you guys, this is what I want you guys to be doing going forward. I said, you know, once you see the run on liquidity, yeah? So in other words, these people, triple bottoms, people looking to buy, you know, retail traders looking to buy, basic traders looking to buy, they get stopped out. Then price has to pull back up, right? When it pulls back up, this is where you will be looking to enter your trade for sales, right? Down here, right? So literally price pulled back up into a premium price and then it dropped. I wasn't bothered about the double top that you can see in here, okay? Because this strategy works, do you understand? So for this trade over here, stop loss for this one was about 7 to 8 pip stop loss just above the wick. You don't need to be giving it 30 pips. You know, like some people say, give it 100 pips. I've even seen people say, and your R to R is just literally dead, right? But look, 7 pip stop loss in this one above the wick. And for this one here, okay, I gave myself a stop loss of just above these highs, right? So above these highs, we're talking about an 11 pip stop loss. So really small stop loss. You know the risk reward is hella sweet as well. So now guys, look at what we're doing now. Price is breaking down, doing its thing. There was equal lows over here, okay? Equal lows over here that got taken out, okay? So once again, people's money sitting down here again, as you guys know. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys know, man. I've been telling you guys for ages. Yeah, literally ages about all of this stuff now. So I'm pretty sure you guys are nice and up to date with that. And so check this out again. So price might pull back up again and then drop, right? So let me quickly give you guys my overall target for EU. So yeah, this is a big one. You guys know I showed you in one of my other videos already. So my ultimate target for EU is for it to get down to this liquidity point, take all of that, take all of this liquidity down here, take the double bottom. Once you get the double tops and double bottoms on the higher time frames, those are even better. Those are even sweet. So they will be a draw on price, right? So price will draw towards the liquidity. Cool. Then we got this zone over here. This is where ideally I'm looking to take off all of my position, right? So whatever I've not scaled off at the time, I'm going to take off everything right down here once it gets down to the zone over here. So we're talking about now, let's just double check. We're talking about a huge move. We're talking about a 200 pip move, guys, right? So this is the play. This is what I'm waiting on. And you know what? Who's to say it's going to stop here? It could continue to drop all the way down before making another expansion back up. So that is the play with Euro USD. That was what I really wanted to show you guys. Again, look at that. Lower time frame plays, man. Oh, it's beautiful. You know, I used to be that guy who only traded on based off higher time frames, but look, what you could do is you can get your buys from the higher time frames but get your entries on the lower time frames, increasing your risk to reward, and you're super nice, right? And by the way, guys, I forgot to mention this. Don't forget, you do not have to take TP, you know, at the final zone. You can be taking TP at different liquidity points, right? So for example, like these areas down here, these points could all be target points, right? You do not have to take it all the way to the bottom. You can do whatever you want to do. So I just wanted to throw that in there before I completely forget, right? So guys, also guys, before I forget as well, this was also called out for the team. So I've been telling you guys, if you guys want mentorship, okay, if you guys want mentorship, hit me up on Instagram, okay? If you guys want mentorship, hit me up on Instagram. So let's quickly scroll. Let's keep scrolling. So check this out. This is here where it was called out for the team. So EU has provided 2 points of entry. So I'm just letting people know, look, they didn't generate liquidity. They didn't run it out. Boom. Then they consolidate for a little bit. There's people trying to buy. Do you understand? But when smart money is selling. Smart money is selling whilst people are trying to buy. Do you understand? Boom. Then price breaks down, okay, down here, creates a form of equal lows, okay, and then they push price back up. Yeah, this is where you get your first entry down here, okay. Then eventually price fully breaks down, smashes through the triple lows, and then once you get that pullback, that's when you're looking to jump in for the sell. Do you understand? That's when you're looking to jump in for the sell. And so this is exactly what I was letting the team know. Okay, the team knew. And then this was at like 218, and then price just plummeted. So what time frame was that actually? The time frame was 5 minute time frame. Cool. So 5 minute time frame, you can see it, man. You can see what happened on 5 minute time frame. Price got up into this range, this zone over here. It just dropped, as you can see, it just dropped, right? So then price then was being drawn towards the liquidity, which was down to the downside. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Let's try and smash 250 likes on this video minimum. I know the like gang is strong out here too. Also guys, like I said, subscribe to the channel. Your boy's on the road to 10K. Thank you guys so much for 8,000 subscribers. You guys are literally absolutely awesome, man. Honestly, keep on dropping comments. Comment down below what you're saying if you're in these charts as well. Comment down below everything. Thank you guys for watching the video. Peace out.